In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access or log into Facebook Events Manager in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Facebook's ad ecosystem or a returning user, I'll walk you through these straightforward steps. Let's begin by launching your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's comprehensive platform where you'll manage your business activities. After you input your search terms and hit enter, a list of search results will appear. You're looking for the link that includes facebook.com within its URL to ensure you're heading to the right place. This link is most likely to be at the top of the list, but do double-check the URL to be sure. Click on this link to open it. If this is your first visit to Meta Business Suite, you might see an option that says, Get Started. Go ahead and click on this if it's visible to you. This option helps you navigate setting up your business profile for the first time. For those of you who've been here before, simply hover over the avatar icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This will prompt you to log in. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook login credentials. Enter your email or phone number and your password into the respective fields. Remember to keep your login information secure to protect your account's privacy and integrity. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the Ads Manager section. Here, you can manage your advertisements and access an overview of your account. Look for the option labeled Account Overview and select it. This will offer a detailed glimpse into your advertising account's performance and status. Now, you're just about there. Under the category labeled Advertise, you will see an option for Events Manager. Click on it to be directed to the Events Manager dashboard. This is the hub where you can track your events, conversions, and gain insights into how your ads are performing. And there you have it. You're now ready to get started with Facebook Events Manager. From here, you can dive into managing and analyzing your events, setting up new ones, and much more. This tool is great for understanding how your audience interacts with your business and can provide valuable insights to optimize your advertising strategies. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.